Stay and subscribe for magical cash ideas. Did you know your skills are magic? Join our free training in the description below for digital product information. Abracadabra! Meet Tara, a yoga buff who tried selling mats online and tripped over the shipping costs. Brainstorming, she wrote a $45 yoga flow ebook, then put it on all the socials, including YouTube, and automated her sales. Now she's pulling in $55K a month, feeling more zen and way less hassle. Your magic's next. Want to make money online, but you're not good at performing magic? Well, don't worry. It's not a trick. These strategies really work. Tried selling trinkets or apps? Are you lost on what to sell and text a mystery? Well, let's wave a wand at that. Laugh out loud. Remember the count from the Sesame Street? All I want a peanut butter. Well, unleash your inner cast magician with digital products. And here's the genius of the whole thing. First, cast your skill. Love art or fitness? Create a course or guide. Share your magic. Second, enchant the crowd. Use social media magic and automated emails to sell. No wand needed. Third, automation is magic. Set up sales on autopilot for almost 90% profits. Beat the trinket trade, solve problems, and cash in. Our free training in the description unlocks digital product magic. Get it now. You know, we've fumbled our way trying to make money online with total flops on occasion, but we're here today helping others succeed. Our digital product system with tech support works, and we're here to help you when you need it. Real people, real wins. Ready to make magical cash? Well, grab the free training in the description below to create, sell, and automate your digital product. Like and subscribe. There's nothing magical here. We're here to help guide you toward making your magical product that actually sells. See you in the next video.